for none other than Shri Devi. And I cannot go on and read on her achievements. You can read it yourself on the screen. Who was a mentee in CDP batch some time back and now ready to coach you, mentor you on AI skills. Welcome Shri Devi on screen.
There is one custom GPT that I have developed which has helped people to save hundreds of hours, and it is 3,900% productivity. Earning 3 lakhs per month in India is not a big deal. Forget about job and all, but earning 3 lakhs per month is not a big deal. But earning 10 lakhs per month, that too working for 4 hours per day, that's a big deal. Building automations is not a big deal, but building cost-effective, secure and scalable automations is a big deal. The first and foremost is prompt engineering. Second, AI web apps. Third is AI automations. Fourth one is diffusion models. And fifth one is mastering in AI tools. These are the 5 modules that you need to nail. And we have a super proven curriculum available, because of which we have seen people who were waiting for 1.5 years without job could get into good, extremely satisfactory job recently. Workflow automations that we have built, and the e-commerce customer was super happy, and they have increased the productivity by 60% and enhanced the customer response rate by 95%. And so if you see this, this is something N8N automation workflows that we develop. This is just a sample AI agent that we can build. It's an army of AI agents also you'll be building. It is just only one agent, but you'll be building the army of agents. So these are some of the workflows. I'm just scrolling down what all the workflows that I've built. And I'm super glad to tell you that I have an accomplished N8N level 1, level 2 certified, and I'm on the path of N8N creator. So now if you see this, these are some of the workflows. They look like this, which are, now this is a customer agent workflow where you need not have to have 24/7, all the people working round the clock. And there are certain workflows which have the guardrails. And this is something like a lead generation workflow. Like that, there are more than 30 different workflows that have been created. And I don't usually keep these workflows with me, but nothing else can beat the satisfaction compared to sharing the knowledge with others.
Success coach for mid-level professionals. How can we use AI to help our participants to increase productivity?
Participants to increase productivity. Absolutely. Yes. And that's where, we have this Notebook LM tool that is available. And then we have this Google AI Studio, right? I'm pinging that Notebook LM tool and Google AI Studio. So these are 2 tools that can be leveraged in order to increase the productivity of the task that you have mentioned.
Best way to learn organizer use of AI.
Best way of learning organizer to use AI is, in general, if the question is related to the tool, it is Notion tool. But otherwise, it is a structured learning of each module, dedicate 1 to 2 weeks of time, and then get the hands-on, where we'll have this discounted subscriptions, so that people need not have to worry about getting the credits getting over. Rather, feel free, with a free hand they can practice it. But otherwise, if the question is related to what AI tool that has to be used in order to organize the work, it is Notion.
Is it possible to automate total finance process using AI and give the CFO services, eliminating end-to-end process?
Okay, so there is no place where we can automate to 100%. There is a concept called human in loop, especially in 2 sectors called finance and healthcare. These are the 2 sectors which are sensitive, where we cannot rely completely on AI. But 50 to 70% of automations are possible in finance and healthcare sector.
Is that how can we start learning AI to grow in our career from manager to leadership roles?
AI to manager to leadership roles. Okay. I would say, again, it depends on what type of leadership role. Is it like a CFO, CTO, COO, that level technology side or people side or process side? Depending on that, there is always we can leverage Perplexity, Claude, Grok, then we have Gemini, we have ChatGPT, right? These are all various LLMs available and all. So we have custom GPTs already which have been published in ChatGPT, and in Gemini they are called gems. So you can very well go through that and ask if what all the various levels of information available, right? So that, because the question is very generic, I wouldn't be able to answer in one go.
Sridevi, can I answer?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
The answer is CDP.
The answer is CDP. True. There is some concept which Vishal started off with teaching is vision board. I mean, that made magic in my life. Till that time, I used to have, okay, I should become this and all, but the path and directions and various levers, what all the things I need to be good at. Now, to answer to your question, you should be very good in networking. You should be good in communication skills. You should be good in leadership skills. You should be good in problem solving skills. You should be good at people skills. You should be good at technical skills. All these 5 skills, okay, people tell that you need to be good at all these skills, but what are all the resources? What are all the tools that you have to use in order to balance out all these things to grow up the ladder? That is the vision board you must and should try. Thank you, everyone. And I wish you all the best. And this is a moment to take the right decision. And I look forward to meeting you all. Bye-bye.